Stop. Don't update ChromeOS yet, especially if you're using Brunch. One wrong update can trap you in black screen, a boot loop, or completely break your system with no warning. And here is the dangerous part. ChromeOS updates automatically, but Brunch does not. The mismatch is why thousands of users wake up to ChromeOS system that went boot. But don't panic. In this video, I'll show you only the proven, the safe method to update Chrome OS and Brunch together. Step by step, no data loss, no USB, and no guessing. If you follow this method, your Chrome OS will update cleanly and boot perfectly. Let's do this the right way. If you're new here, quick context. In my previous video, I showed you how to install Ubuntu on Windows 11, and then how to install Chrome OS without USB, safely and without errors. Many of you followed those guides successfully, but today's video is even more important because most Chrome OS system doesn't break during installation. They break during the updates. And once it's broken, recovery is painful, time-consuming, and sometimes impossible. So please watch this video fully before updating anything. Let me be very clear. Don't enable auto-update in Chrome OS when using Brunch. This is the biggest mistake Brunch users make. Here is why. Chrome OS updates itself automatically, Brunch does not. Brunch controls the boot process, kernel compatibility, hardware support. If Chrome OS updates alone and Brunch stays old, your system may get stuck on Chrome OS logo, enter a boot loop, show a black screen, or stop booting entirely. This is not a theory. This happens every update cycle. Think of Chrome OS and Brunch like two gears. If one gear moves forward and another stays behind, they grind, they break. Chrome OS expects new boot files, but Brunch still using older ones. That mismatch causes kernel panic, boot failure, corrupted startup sequence. And once that happens, many users lose hours or days trying to recover. That's why we never update Chrome OS alone. We update Brunch first, then Chrome OS safely. Now here is the good news. You don't need command line tricks, manual downloads, recovery USBs, or risky experiments. There is a safe way, and it's actually the easiest method available. The safest and easiest way to update both Brunch and Chrome OS together is by using Brunch PWA. PWA means Progressive Web Apps. This tool was designed specifically for Brunch-based Chrome OS systems. Instead, if you download files manually, mountain partitions, copy and recover images, praying nothing breaks, the PWA automates everything. This is why experienced Brunch users trust it. Here's exactly what the Brunch PWA does, step by step. First, it detects current Chrome OS version, then it checks the latest compatible Brunch release. Next, it downloads the correct Chrome OS recovery image, not the wrong one. Then, it updates the Brunch framework first. After that, it updates Chrome OS safely. Finally, on reboot, it handles the migration automatically. This means no version mismatch, no boot failure, no data loss. Your Chrome OS is never updated with a Brunch. That's the key. Let me repeat this one last time. Auto update is safe on official Chrome OS devices, but Brunch systems, auto update is dangerous. Always update Brunch first, Chrome OS second, using a controlled method. If you follow this process, your system stays stable, fast, and safe even in 2026. Now, I'll show you the exact update process using the Brunch PWA. I'll walk you through it on screen so that you can follow along without confusion. Pause when needed, don't rush, and don't skip steps. Let's jump into the PWA process and update Chrome OS safely. Now what you're gonna do is you're gonna restart your PC and access the Brunch page. So let's restart, and that's it. On this screen in here, select ChromeOS and hit enter. And here, select Brunch settings, hit enter. Wait a few seconds. And here, hit enter. Now, select as default and hit enter. Now here, press down arrow key and choose PWA and hit the spacebar and it's enabled. And now, hit enter. Now hit enter. Now hit enter. Again, hit enter. Again, hit enter. And hit enter. Again, hit enter. Now your PC is rebooted. Again, boot into ChromeOS. Brunch and select and header. Now what if it's against to complete the reboot process? Now put a password. Now open the browser and search for GitHub-Brunch-PWA. And here is the link. Brunch Updater, Brunch PWA version 2. Open it and you click in here and click on install and it's here. Now close. Now you can see, click in here and Brunch PWA is here. Open it and here you can see unstable branches installed on my PC. First of all, I'm gonna install Brunch. Click on update and you will get the stable one updated. You're gonna wait 3 to 5 minutes here. Now Brunch is updated successfully. What you're gonna do is click on reboot now and PC will be rebooted and complete the installation. Click on reboot now. Again, boot into ChromeOS. Again, for the first time, it's gonna take 2 to 5 minutes. You're gonna wait here. Now, put the password and log into ChromeOS. Now, it's done. Now you can see pop up like this to open Brunch PWA directly from there. You can click on open or just simply click in here and open from there. So, you can see it's updated, the stable one Brunch. Now what you're gonna do is click on ChromeOS update and here you can see my ChromeOS version is showing R142. If you go to settings, about ChromeOS and here is 142 is there, means it's correct. Now what you're gonna do is click on update and the update process will start it. Again, it will take 2 to 5 minutes to complete the update. Now, you can see it shows reboot now, means it's completed. Click on reboot now. Again, boot into ChromeOS. Again, it will take 2 to 5 minutes. You're gonna wait here. Finally, it's booted up. Now, it's done. Now we're going to click on open. And here you can see it's showing updated. Now, if you want to do this automatically, click on settings. And here you can see Brunch release, display update notice for Brunch release, stable one, and ChromeOS recovery image. That's it. It will give you automatic notification or pop-up. Now, it's done. Click on close, and if you go to settings, about ChromeOS, and here it is, 143 is there. That's it. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.